Blondie comes into the kitchen. A cup is upside down. That's not right. She picks up the cup. Oops! A great flood. The water covers the entire tabletop. Blondie has to squeeze out the cloth quickly. The kitchen floods. Call 911 and evacuate the spoons and plates. Blondie stops the flood. What is more, she can make a waterfall. If I put a cup a bit higher, it's a great idea. Put a cup filled with water onto the top shelf of the cabinet. Curly Sue is happy her prank has been a success. Blondie has cleaned the entire table. But she puts the cup so high. Curly Sue reaches out to take it, and Niagara Falls pours onto her. It took her by a wet surprise, like a shower in the kitchen. Out of dish soap? Excellent! Do not hurry to throw away the bottle. We will need it for a prank. Pour your friend's expensive shampoo into an empty soap dish bottle. Now, Curly Sue will wash dishes with soap smelling like tropical paradise. Curly Sue is going to do the dishes. She squeezes out a bit of dish soap. Oh, it foams so good, and the smell is nice, and it's familiar too. Yeah, it smells exactly like my shampoo. It's suspicious. I compare the scent. The result of the inspection shows that this is my shampoo in the bottle. It was obviously my friend who poured it into the dish soap bottle. Now it's crystal clear. I will decorate Blondie's room quickly while she's sleeping. I've got only eco-friendly material. It's toilet paper. I'm tossing the toilet paper over the entire room. Snow White garlands of toilet paper? Blondie will definitely enjoy it. The paper is hanging over the bookcase, crossing the bed, sticking to the furniture. Awesome! Blondie wakes up. What is it? A paper jungle? My friend has something to do with it for sure. It looks like Curly Sue's design. Getting out of this decoration is not that simple. Blondie is studying really hard. She has to take a very important test tomorrow, and she needs to finish her work as fast as possible. She shouldn't have been distracted at such an inopportune moment, but I just can't help losing such a brilliant opportunity to prank her. Print out a system error window and attach it right to the laptop screen. Blondie comes back to her laptop. Oh no! My work! How can I pass the test now? It's not fair. Well, it seems everything is not as awful as I supposed. The error comes off the screen easily. Thank God! My work is safe and sound, and Curly Sue will not get away with it. Let's make a simple sock prank. Put identical socks of a smaller size into the drawer instead of the regular ones. It's time to get dressed. I am putting on my socks. What's happened? Have my feet gotten bigger? Or have the socks shrunk after the laundry? Nope, everything is way more simple. My friend has pranked me again. Curly Sue gets bored with studying. There is nothing interesting in the textbooks, and the world history makes her half asleep. That's why she prefers arranging a funny fight with her friend. She makes air shells out of napkins. Aim, fire! Blondie isn't ready for the attack, and the couch General Frou-Frou is going to bite all the napkin grenades. But Blondie has one bulletproof argument. Her couch army goes into the battle. Crumple some foil. Hammer it to shape a ball. Turn the foil into a small cannonball. Polish it with a nail file. You get a shiny ball. Blondie has her lead cannonball. Oh, it's heavy. I'm afraid it may break Curly Sue's table. Wow, that's the weapon. Are you going to use it? Don't do it. It's been just a joke. My bombs have been way lighter. Oops! Blondie drops her lead ball. Keep calm, Curly Sue. It's just foil. It's light and harmless. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends. Will you flood your kitchen? Wrap your friend to her armchair with plastic wrap, or leave traces of a magical animal in the bathroom. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new prank ideas on the Troom Troom channel.